Hello, everybody. It is January 7th, 2015, and this is my new haircut. Nothing in the back. What? Yeah. Anyways, it's cute. Anyways, but I can finally tell you all what I've been meaning to tell you all if you've been watching these videos. One of them is that, well, March 6th, my band, Simplistic Soul, will be doing a show at Davenport's Piano and Cabaret in Wicker Park in Chicago, Illinois, on the corner of, Milwaukee and, crap, I can't remember the cross street, but that's happening March 6th. But I also just got cast in a production of Hair with Big Noise Theater Company. We open in April. I'm super stoked about it because I love the show. It'll be my second time doing Hair. I'll be a tribe member, which is totally cool. If you've seen the show, everyone is recognized since it's free love, rock and roll, 60s, fight the power type show, and I'm super pumped about it. So yeah, I'm gonna be a busy lady in 2015. Once rehearsals kick in with both shows, on top of getting new headshots done and auditioning more this year, really is going to be a thing. I just realized I need to get new repertoire music, but I'm really excited to tell you guys that. So I'll be doing Hair with Big Noise Theater Company. And I have my own show coming up at Davenport on March 6th, so look for all that info to come. And I really hope to see all y'all's faces there. Even the out-of-towners, come get it, get your life. Yeah, thank you. Cheers. Probably won't be posting anything for us today because I just really wanted to tell you guys that. I love your faces. Smiles. Bye. Oh, forgot, today is a work from home day. Which is great because I've been working on a presentation I have to do on Friday, sending some emails, making some orders, doing the doggone thing because it's bloody cold outside. So that's cool. So yeah, this is my work uniform today, and I thought I should show you guys my hair. Yeah, my face is feeling pretty fat right now. Whatevs, I'm over it. So that's that. To see you guys at my upcoming shows. Smiles. Bye.